Hi guys, we are Great Northern Terrace live across the Lincolnshire with Shane and Andrew. The barriers are going down again because of that, if you can see it. We're on manuals at the moment. Slow, slow. This is for a tamper. This is for a tamper. The second tamper I've ever filmed. First one was a hiker, but if you can click the annotation if you want, or the link below. If you want. Heavily delayed 12:36 from Barnetby to Barnetby, so she's going in a massive circle. I have no idea what I'm trying to say. What is that tamper even doing up there? There is a... And she's going to go down there and then going to go over there, because that's where the Grimsby line is. Also, there is a measurement train coming in like 10 minutes. There's a measurement train in 10 minutes. Here comes Tamper. Double Tamper. Double. No, double. I see double. Thanks. I'll take that as a compliment. That was him. 6U92 is the head code, if you're wondering. That's not really odd. Right, this is going to be a mouthful, but I'm going to try it anyways. Hello, Tamper. What are you? DR75403 to Barnetby. There it goes. And until Peterborough, that's it. Slow stop.